Good afternoon and welcome to the plot. This afternoon I'm going to show you how I plant my onion bulbs. I've got some Red Baron onion bulbs here. It's a bit late in the year to be planting them according to the instructions. However, I've done a test the other day and they seem to be shooting up pretty well. This area here, I tried some garlic, but it got caught in the frost. So I've pulled it up and I've got this free space, and literally just to the left here, I've got some healthy onions of the same variety which is growing. So this seems to be a good patch for them. In the bag I've got a couple little bulbs like so, but a lot of them are what I would say is rotten. You would like a nice firm bulb. If you can see me squeezing it, this one's got a bit of a squeeze on it. This one's not too bad, but then you got ones like that which are just already looking a bit sorry for thing, and can definitely hear and see the squeeze on that one, so I'm not going to use them ones. I've got some firm ones like that, look nice and shiny as you can see. I try and take off the outer skin. This one I've done most of. The idea is to do it about 5 centimeters deep, roughly about a thumb. And then drop your bulb in a hole with the root bit facing down, this bit down, and that's where your head's gonna come up, facing up. So roughly space them out about 6 centimeters, I would say, in between them. I'll show you the other ones afterwards so you can get a nice gauge. And literally it's just about thumb depth. You can get those little dibbers with the marking sides along them. Sometimes I use it. Oh, I do have one. Okay. So as I said, I've got some already. You can see this one here is a bit more fragile, so I'll just get rid of all that excess old dead skin, get the fresh bit ready up, like so. And then drop it, like I said, root bit facing down in the hole. I've got one more, so let's do it here. You may notice I've got these little bits of vegetation growing here. These are my tomatoes from last year, and according to your companion planting, it is alright to plant onions and tomatoes together, so I'll be intrigued to see how that goes. I've already watered the soil before I started. I always recommend that when you're doing seeds. Makes life a lot easier, or sets or bulbs or planting anything. I always suggest you give the water first. As you can see, that's done and dusted. I'll get a little markup sorted out in 2 secs, and if I just pick you up and go to the left, like I said, here's my onions, Red Barons, which exactly was the same procedure that I've just shown you. Little flower coming up there on the top, so it should be ready fairly soon. So I should be able to harvest these, and then hopefully with the timing that I've put these down, I'll get a nice second harvest of them ones that I've just planted. And then to the right here as well, I've got some shallots. So I've got the onions with the onions, and then over here I've got some spring onions as well. Just put a line of radishes in here to mix and blend it a bit. I'll probably put another line of radishes in here, or maybe beetroot, see how I feel, just to mix and blend it as well, and utilise all the little space that we've got. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.